questions, class, what will you do? Yes, very good. You have to raise your right hand and do not answer me in chorus. Is that clear? Okay, very good. Lahat kasi sobrang dami natin. So, ang gagawin natin is you have to count your number. So, that will be your number throughout our activity. Okay na po? Are you ready? Okay, so let us now spin the wheel kung sino yung unang sasagot ng ating question. Okay, table number 6 and seat number 3. Sino yung table number 6, seat number 3? Okay, kindly stand up, sir. Solve each quadratic equation by factoring. X squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. The answer is letter A. X plus 3, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Oh, wala siya kahapon. Okay. Let us now spin seat number 7. Prepare table number... Table number 4. Nasaan ang table number 4? Seat number 7. Okay. X minus 6 is equal to 0. Is it letter A or letter B? So I will give you 1 minute to answer. Yes. Letter B is Shin's answer is correct. Yes. So the answer is letter B. Seat number 5, table number 6. Kindly stand up. 3x squared minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Is it letter A or letter B? Letter? Is his answer is correct? Yes. So the answer is letter B. Okay, give hands to group number 6. Now class, do you have any questions about our previous lesson? Yes, very good. You are so smart.